Brian, people search for iron because they are hoping for something useful. Fatigue, anemia, ferritin, hair, and athlete claims. Before we warn them about everything, what benefit is actually worth understanding?
The useful answer is benefit first. Iron can be life-changing when deficiency or iron deficiency anemia is real, but it is one of the supplements where guessing is risky because excess iron can harm organs. We will explain what the body's doing, which benefits are most plausible, and then where the boundary sits. First, follow the substance after it enters the body. Iron helps hemoglobin carry oxygen and supports energy metabolism. This is the first reason the supplement is more than a label on a bottle. Then ask what changes downstream. Ferritin, hemoglobin, inflammation, and blood loss context all change interpretation. This is where the benefit becomes something you can measure, feel, or track. Context is the switch that changes the answer. Absorption changes with food, vitamin C, calcium, T, and GI conditions. The same supplement can be helpful, irrelevant, or too strong, depending on that context. The first benefit to understand is this. Correcting deficiency can improve fatigue, exercise tolerance, and anemia markers. That matters because iron helps hemoglobin carry oxygen and supports energy metabolism. This connects iron to a real body pathway, not just a marketing word. The second benefit to understand is this. Menstruation, pregnancy, endurance sport, and limited intake can raise risk. That matters because ferritin, hemoglobin, inflammation, and blood loss context all change interpretation. This connects iron to a real body pathway, not just a marketing word. The third benefit to understand is this. Hair loss discussions should start with testing, not guessing. That matters because absorption changes with food, vitamin C, calcium, T, and GI conditions. This connects iron to a real body pathway, not just a marketing word.
So the question is not whether iron is exciting. The question is, who is the person most likely to benefit, and what would tell them it is working?
The best fit user for iron is not everybody. It is the person whose goal, symptom, marker, or routine lines up with this pathway. Correcting deficiency can improve fatigue, exercise tolerance, and anemia markers. In that context, absorption changes with food, vitamin C, calcium, T, and G conditions. And then the form matters. A food source, a standard capsule, a concentrated extract, and a study product can behave differently. So iron should be judged by the exposure that actually reaches the target pathway. Ferritin, hemoglobin, inflammation, and blood loss context all change interpretation. Now rank the claims. The strongest claim gets the most attention, the plausible claims get a smaller box, and the vague wellness claims should not drive the purchase.
Now, give me the boundary in proportion. We are not trying to scare people away from iron. We are trying to keep the useful benefit from being used in the wrong context.
The main safety boundary is specific. Do not take iron casually without need. Overdose is dangerous, especially for children. Also remember the second boundary. Hemochromatosis and other overload states make iron harmful. That is a reason to personalize, not a reason to turn the whole lesson negative. The simple tracking plan is positive and practical. Choose one target benefit, decide what would improve, watch for the main boundary, and stop if iron can cause GI side effects and interact with medications. The practical ladder for iron is benefit first. Name the benefit, understand the pathway, match the person, choose the right form, track the outcome, and keep the boundary visible.
So the fair summary is not negative. Iron may be useful when the target is specific, the pathway makes sense, and the person can actually track the benefit.
Exactly. The body ladder rule for iron is simple. Explain the benefit deeply, respect the boundary, and make the decision useful.